Hey दोस्तों, so today we are starting for the practice at 5.2 class 9th. Now question number 4. The total number of lions and peacock in a certain zoo is 50. The total number of their legs is 140. Then find the number of lions and peacock in the zoo. So let's see how to solve. So now let the number of the lions in the zoo. So suppose that x and the number of the peacock in the zoo is equal to y. According to the first condition क्या दिया हुआ है, the total number of lions and peacock in a zoo is 50. So according to the lions and peacock, lion is equal to x and peacock in the zoo is equal to y is equal to 50. So ये first condition आएंगे. Now according to the second condition, so second one condition, a lion has a 4 legs. The total number of legs of lion is equal to 4x. And a peacock has a 2 legs, so the total number of legs of peacock is equal to 2y. So the total number of their legs is 140. 4x plus 2y is equal to 140. कंडीशन 1 क्या आएंगे, x plus y is equal to 50. अब दोनों कंडीशन के टर्म को देखिए, इधर 4x है, 2y, नाउ x plus y. तो क्या करेंगे, मल्टीप्लाई 2 इन इक्वेशन 1 वी गेट. अगर मल्टीप्लाई 2 करते तो इजीली नंबर आप कैंसिलेशन कर सकते. सो 2x plus 2y इज इक्वल टू 100. कंडीशन नंबर 3. अब कंडीशन 3 और कंडीशन 2 हम क्या करेंगे, सब्ट्रैक्टिंग, राइट. सो सब्ट्रैक्टिंग इक्वेशन 2 फ्रॉम इक्वेशन 3 वी गेट. नाउ इक्वेशन 3, so 4x plus 2y is equal to 140 and 2x plus 2y is equal to 100, right. सो 2x एंड इज इक्वल टू 4y, ये आपके कैंसिलेशन हो जाएंगे. 4 माइनस 2 इज इक्वल टू 2. सो x इज इक्वल टू 40 अपॉन 2, सो x इज इक्वल टू 20. 2 2s are 4 and 0, right, as it is. Then second one, substituting x is equal to 20 in equation 1 we get, so x plus y is equal to 50 and x replace that 20, so 20 plus y is equal to 50 and y is equal to 50 minus 20, so y is equal to 30. The number of lions in the zoo is equal to 20 and the number of the peacocks in the zoo is equal to 30. So next question on next video. जय हिंद दोस्तों.